Okay YouTube, welcome to tutorial where we will delete with one line of code all rows. So we will empty absolutely everything and we will start from ground zero. That is a very easy thing to do in MySQL. So before doing that, I want to show you something. How with one error, one little error, you can totally destroy your whole table. So here's the situation. Let's say that you are tired, you are not paying attention and you want to change telephone for John into something else, but you forgot to say that you are changing things for John. So when you do that, you will change telephone for all other people here. So if you have 100,000 people in this table, you will totally destroy, well, at least that column. And in most cases, when you create this kind of mess, well, you will destroy pretty much everything in a table. It depends what you're doing, but that's the assumption. Okay, so let's go and we will use this script as a base. So let's back it up. Save as delete all.php. That's what we are going to do. And see this? When we are updating here, for example, telephone, we will say update people set telephone equals, let's say, 444.111. And now, as I said, if you're tired, you forget to say where you're updating your stuff. So you're forgetting to say where ID is that or where mail is something else. So you will just say this, okay? You're not stating other things that will help you to be really precise. So you will say everything will work. That's assumption. You save this stuff. And let's actually go to our script. Delete all.php and you run it and you think everything's fine. I have updated my stuff, everything is normal. Is it? So HTML report, now check telephone here, okay, that's before update. And now let's check situation. So for all people we have now new telephone, so our table is totally destroyed right now. Well, if you have a backup, that's fine, but most of the people for some reason doesn't create backup of their database and their table if they are working on their own custom CMS. If they are working with like WordPress or some other CMS, they do have automatic backups or hosting provider is doing that for them. But as I said, for some reason, people are just too lazy. They think that everything will be fine. They create this kind of error and they are totally busted. Not just that they are busted, but if they are working for company, their company is busted. And that's scary stuff even to think about. Well, so if you're practicing, you will say, no problem, I'm just gonna delete everything and then I will enter new data. And yeah, that's cool if you have a couple of lines, but as I said, if you are doing stuff on production kind of computers, well, you're pretty much busted. So let's delete everything and let's start from ground zero. That's like assumption, you know, you're just practicing so you can do that. Now the command to do that will be truncate table, that one. So truncate table, that one, which is, what was it, people, where I was typing that, well, yeah, people, yeah, people, and save and delete all.php. Let's now run that script. Delete all.php. Connection successful, SQL command OK, one level back, refresh, and there you go, you don't have any data to work with. So this was very short tutorial. Please note, do have a backup of databases or of tables of your file system when you are working for money, for yourself or for other people, because one moment of tiredness is enough to totally bust your startup. Just imagine you are just opening your company, a couple of people are working for you, you're doing everything to earn enough to pay the people, and you're tired, you create one error and your whole startup is busted. So please create backups. So thank you for watching, see you next tutorial.